How you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce here, real estate investor, nationwide coach, as well as the founder of the top-rated podcast on iTunes called Escaping the REI Newbie Zone. And what I want to talk about today is a question that I got from one of my Instagram followers the other day. And he asked, can you wholesale a property that has an active code violation on it? And the short answer is yes. The thing is that you have to get a document, an agreement signed, which is a hold and harmless agreement, basically stating that the end buyer, once they take over the property, that they're going to make sure they take care of the code violation. The good thing is that you can use this as a leverage negotiation tool when you are talking with sellers, because if the property has $50,000 worth of code violations, you can use that as a negotiation tool to get them to lower the price of what they're looking to get for the property and get it at the price that you need to get it at so you can still wholesale the deal. Now, even though the code violation is maybe $50,000, the good thing is that the end buyer, once they fix it, they won't have to pay that. When they send out a harmless agreement, they'll actually be able to have an examiner come back out there, make sure that problem has been resolved, and then from there, they can negotiate that code violation down from $50,000 down to $2,000, $3,000. I've seen it happen many and many of times. All right, so if you have a code violation property, listen, it's a good thing. You can use it to get a property for very, very cheap and be able to wholesale it, and go out there and don't let that stop you from getting out there and closing deals today, all right? Signing off, Chris Bruce here, and you know my quote, don't live the dream, live your dream. I'll see you on the next one.